This is the only way how to make water slime. I made it on accident. So you're going to get some shampoo. So I had this shampoo in my house. I used to use it. And then I put it in a cup. And then I left it on the counter for a day. And it made like slime. Like it's not sticking to my finger at all. Like slime would. So I'm just gonna, like, that is water slime. Oh my gosh, enjoy your slime. So you're gonna leave it on your counter for about 24 hours. And the next day, it's going to be there. Oh my gosh. This is actually like water slime. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be charity once. Look, this is water slime. It's not sticking to my hands. It's a little bit sticky, but oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I want to make more of this. Oh my gosh, try this out for yourself.